Hey guys, welcome to the show. Boy, do we got a good one for you. A big welcome to... Alright, that was really bad.
Welcome to the Welcome to the
3.
Welcome to Noah's Ark.
Guys, welcome to the vlog. This is day 2 of our Kentucky-Tennessee road trip adventures. Donald lives about 30 miles away, so we had a couple hours to kill and took full advantage of Noah's Ark. Okay, we didn't take full advantage of it, but we definitely made the trip and made the venture. Alrighty, so we just dropped one of the kids' college tuitions for admissions here. First of all, we parked and then we come underneath this little open barn, and now we're putting on wristbands and catching the shuttle to go up to the Ark.
As we leave the terminal, we're embarking on an epic journey, leaving the modern world for a trip back to Noah's Ark.
You see a little baby? That's a brand new baby. Drop the ball there.
Hi.
Look at this bad boy. It's huge. Welcome to the Ark Encounter, otherwise known as Noah's Ark, here in Williamstown, Kentucky. This bad boy is the largest timber frame structure in the world, and it's made with all kinds of various woods, including Engelmann spruce, Douglas fir, pine, and bamboo. And that's a fact. Go, Jen.
It has 5 coffee shops on location. Or more.
And it's also 510 feet long. I mean, when we walked up to it, we were just in like shock and awe, son. This boy is big. It's built to biblical standards. I mean, this sucker stands 10 stories high and is about 85 feet in width. And yes, you're right, it offers at like every coffee shop known to man. So you're definitely not going to go thirsty in that regards. Whoa, that was an awesome time lapse. How about it? So as you enter Noah's Ark from ground level, you proceed up a ramp, and this is where you're met with the green screen. Say cheese.
1, 2, 3.
There are 3 total decks. The first one, you walk into sounds of thunder, wind, and waves crashing against the boat, along with snorts of... What's in there, Cat? Oh! Another fact, there are no real animals on the Ark. Fill-ins are actually pretty close. They just don't poop and pee.
I didn't think these were close.
Whoa, cool. The second level includes all kinds of unique animals.
Including dinosaurs.
Yeah, dinosaurs. Didn't know there were dinosaurs on Noah's Ark.
I did not either.
What about the
one thing on the wall
twister?
is letting us know.
Yeah, he's the next
Pull this. You pull this, and we go out these doors, right? Okay.
Thank you, Cash. In addition to the second level, there was great entertainment for the kids.
Yeah, they had little cages where they could climb in and out, pretending they were animals. And let's not forget, another coffee shop.
We're here to the front of the boat, and this is sort of a sit-down theater area. The third level was really interesting. A small little detail I always overlook, and it was how Noah and his family lived.
They had a little garden up there where they made their food. You know what wasn't on there was their laundry.
I'll be honest with you, Noah, you look great for 900 years old. I mean, there was just fact after fact after fact, son, all over the walls.
I didn't see the laundromat though.
All right, so we just took the elevator down. So here's a whole big gift shop here. Oh my. Boy, is it big. Gotta sell that merch, son. All in all, what a wonderful experience. We highly recommend it. Jenny definitely recommends it. She loves how it was caught up to 2009 and they offered free Wi-Fi, son, so she could Instagram and Facebook the whole stinking time.
Sure.
And text.
Definitely.
Well, you don't need Wi-Fi for text. But
No.
anyway.
No, I wanted more authenticity.
Jenny really wanted a real Ark with real animals and crap everywhere. I don't get it. I mean, this place offered tornado security shelter. Like that. I mean, that's legit with security cams and then all.
I didn't think there was going to be any electricity. I thought we were going through this, smelling the animals and You know, I mean, I wanted the real life Ark experience.
Yes, it was a little pricey. $48 for adults, $15 for children, $10 for parking. But the way I look at it, we're tied into a great ministry who's spreading the good news of the Bible. Well, this is cool. They have zip lining here at Noah's Ark. Sweet! Live from Kentucky, we're out. We're headed back to Uncle Donnie. See ya!